Welcome to American Dream TV. I'm your host, Mary Beth Kellee. Today, we are embarking on a culinary adventure in downtown La Mesa, California, where innovation meets tradition and flavor knows no bounds. I am so excited to be here today with Chef Gabriella of Casa Gabriela in downtown La Mesa. Chef Gabby, before we get into this beautiful array of ingredients, tell me a little bit about how lucky you are to be here.
Well, I'm very lucky because my restaurant is just across from the farmers market every Friday. And I can be more lucky than that, then I can go out just cross a few steps and get everything local and fresh. I like to support local business and especially the farmers because Casa Gabriela use nothing but fresh ingredients. Everything is from scratch. I mean, I do one thing good. I support them, but also I bring something so fresh to my customers.
I'm so excited you're gonna teach me how to make some guacamole.
Yes, this is so great. Like, first of all, you have to season with salt, liberal. I like to season my stuff very well.
The way you do that.
And then you got some freshly ground black pepper. And everything, as you can see, is very fresh.
It smells so delicious.
Yeah, this is jalapenos and serranos, a combination of both, because serranos in sí is a little bit too spicy, but I like to mix it. Then fresh cilantro. Again, all of these are from the farmer's market, very fresh. And then we have a red onion, a little bit of that. We like to put it, and then we're gonna start mixing this thing here. And how you plate it over here, we have our rustic, beautiful molcajete, and then we put banana leaves. It's kind of like my signature, very rustic style.
Like that.
And then if you see in my mural inside my restaurant, you'll see it's always a banana leaf. So then you got two beautiful scoops of that. Look at how gorgeous it is, nice and green. It's very simple, but people really, really love the way I do it.
It's impressive.
And then this is a queso fresco, and then we put our toasted pepitas.
Ooh, I love
a little bit of spice of that. And this is something that people really, really enjoy, happy hour, for dinner. And then we put our chicharrones that we fry them over here and put a little bit of tajin. And this is how we plate it at Casa. So every time customers come here, they'll get it like that.
Wow. Chef Gabby, we've talked about the community, but I want to know about the history and how you came to be a chef.
Well, I born and raised in Tijuana until I was 15. Then I moved to California, and this is like an American dream for sure. I worked really, really hard raising 4 kids and cooking all over San Diego. And here I am. I mean, the life put me in this, and this is a blessing for me to be executive chef and partnered in this restaurant, in my own restaurant, and providing people like home-style cooking, just elevated a little bit.
And aren't a lot of these recipes from your personal upbringing?
Passing down from my grandmother, and I was fascinated seeing her cooking like moles, barbacoa, birria, which is what I have in my restaurant. But since I was 8 years old, I was already fascinated with cooking. I was able to cook tortillas, rice, and some beans, and a little stuff, but already know that I have the love for cooking for sure. And today, I want to show you something that this is a recipe that we have in our family. Again, grandmother, my mother, and everyone in the house. I just elevated a little bit, but this is my churros, traditional churros that I have here, and everybody respond with lots of love. They can see it from scratch. If you don't mind, I can start doing the plating right now to show you how to. I pre-fried these ones just like a couple of minutes ago.
Okay.
But then we roll them up and put it in powdered sugar. Sugar and cinnamon. This is how we plate it up here in Casa Gabriela. They're freshly fried, as you can see. And then we serve it like this with the vanilla bean ice cream that we have here.
Ooh, beautiful.
Homemade salted caramel, dehydrated orange, and my orange comes from my farmers markets as well.
Perfect.
And this is how you'll see it at my restaurant.
A little dusting of powdered sugar.
Yeah, I love. And this is what you find it if you come see me at Casa Gabriela. This is something that I grew up eating in Mexico, and Tijuana is very popular. And I reinvented and put it in my own style in here in my restaurant.
Oh my goodness, this is gourmet on steroids. Thank you for joining us today on this amazing culinary journey in downtown La Mesa, California. As you just saw, Casa Gabriela truly embodies the American dream.